Hello, hello, Coach Adrian here. Wanted to wish you a very happy new year. Let 2021 be the year that keeps you healthy, happy, in love. And we have a very, very special surprise. Coach Alex and I will be doing another webinar this Sunday, January 17th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time, on how to save your relationship. And we want to share our latest research findings, our latest techniques to help you really feel empowered and make sure that you have a clear way forward to address your relationship issues. As always, we have very exciting stuff to share with you, and we hope that you'll be joining us for this live webinar. All you have to do is click on the link below to register, subscribe, to make sure that you book your spot. And we're delighted to be able to do this for you as always, and to connect with you, to get to know you, answer your questions, and as mentioned, discuss some of our latest research findings and the trends that we're seeing lately. So hope to see you there, help you continue to keep fighting the good fight, and take good care.